Mend joint replacement is an important part of surgery recovery, helping you preserve muscle so you can recover faster and healthier. The product is a specific blend of essential amino acids, which are the building blocks of protein and are found in various foods. Mend has been shown in a number of clinical studies to enhance recovery from joint replacement surgery. This short video will help you to understand how best to take Mend.
It is recommended to take 1 serving twice daily,
starting 1 week prior to your surgery and continuing for at least 2 weeks after surgery. Mend is a powder that can be mixed into beverages. Because amino acids are strong in flavor and can be bitter, we recommend blending into a fruit-based smoothie or juice. Flavored beverages, such as Bai, also work well and can provide a diabetic-safe alternative. You can also split up your doses and dilute with extra fluid to get the taste to your desired strength. In addition, taking Mend with a meal can aid in absorption and help you get the most out of your recovery. Finally, when you begin your physical therapy, we recommend at least 1 serving within 1 hour of activity, or PT. This will help with muscle protein synthesis and have the best impact on your recovery. Think of Mend as your medicine and make sure you take it as recommended. Everyone's taste preferences are different, so get creative with what works best for you. If you'd like some recipe recommendations, visit our website, mend.me/recipes. Wishing you a full and fast recovery.